Welcome to Banking Insights. My name is Alexander Eertmans. I'm a Vice President at Capgemini Invent. Today we have a fantastic topic for you, and with me to explain it is Meelis Lonkle, an expert in digital banking. The topic is about innovations in the credit and lending area. Meelis, before we dive into anything out there, do you have any personal experiences with the credit and lending and how that could be innovated?
Yes, indeed. So I have lived for a few months in the UK, and when I was looking for an apartment there, you have to go through a really lengthy process to prove that you can pay your rent. So it's really old school that you need to scan all the papers you have, like your tax returns, or also any mortgage you may have, and then it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to gather all of that.
Well, first of all, I can imagine that that is a big hassle, and indeed that they would benefit from all these automated processes, probably under PSD2, the Revised Payment Service Directive. If you would look outside of these type of rental processes, are there any other areas where we see it emerging?
Yes, we see the emergence of buy now, pay later. This is really increasing, and especially with the rise of e-commerce because of the several lockdowns we had for the past few months. So this is really growing.
I can imagine, right? Because everyone is ordering online in those lockdowns and everything. But the first thing that pops to my mind, how is that different from a credit card?
What's different is that first you can have several installments and not just pay a month later like with a credit card. And as well, for the retailers, they don't have the same authentication process. So with the credit cards, we've seen that there are some declines due to the fact that they could not authenticate the customers with the new strong customer authentication implemented by PSD2.
That sounds entirely right. Can I ask you a question? Given the fact that we're in a lockdown and you see all these innovations in credit and lending, what do you expect the future will bring?
Yeah, we can expect from that a lot of companies entering still this market because we have been that this has been growing already, and also a lot of competition there, which may also decrease the prices for those buy now, pay later installments, for instance.
Meelis, I'd like to thank you very much for your insights. You've heard it. Basically, there's now a lot to do in the housing market. There's buy now, pay later. There are many more innovations coming up. If you want to discuss any of those with us, please contact Meelis or myself. See you next time.